And we're in an ABC 17 storm track weather alert day for dangerous heat back in central Missouri. Right now down at the Lake of the Ozarks, currently 12:33, 90 degrees, seen a couple boats out on the lake. Now make sure if you're going to be outside today, you have the SPF protection on and stay plenty of hydrated because those heat index going to be climbing up to 103 degrees. Now taking a look at the afternoon planner, those temperatures going to be topping out in the upper 90s. Here in Columbia, looking at 97 degrees between 3 and 5 p.m. Then we see a slow cool down, but going to still be on those dangerous sides with the heat index. By 7 p.m., 92 degrees. And look at that, just before midnight, still back into the 80s. The overnight low is going to be back into the upper 70s. Taking a look at the future heat index. By 1 p.m., going to be surpassing 100 degrees. Now, thankfully, not seeing as much humidity as we saw yesterday, but still going to be on the dangerous side compared with those temperatures. By about 3 p.m., we're going to be climbing up to the 101 degree range. Some areas could see up to 103 degrees for that heat index today, so going to be dangerous. Limit your exposure outdoors. And we're not going to see those really start to cool down until we get off into the overnight hours. You can see still at 100 degrees by 6 p.m. for that heat index. And slowly start to cool down, but with that high humidity, it's going to feel like a warmer night tonight. So definitely going to want to have the AC cranking today. Now, if you have some time this afternoon, you might want to go ahead and look at the sunset because we're actually tracking a lot of dust from the Sahara Desert actually going to be on the upper levels this afternoon. This high pressure system that's causing us these warmer and above average temperatures going to be dragging this dust into the upper atmosphere back towards central Missouri, Texas seeing a larger part of that, but going to create a drier atmosphere, which is going to be a good thing for us in terms of humidity. But sunsets might be a little bit more intense tonight, so it could be a beautiful photo opportunity moment. That's going to be sticking around all the way until Wednesday. Finally starting to phase out as we head off to the weekend. A lot of that going to be pushing back off to the west along with that high pressure system. But that high pressure system only going to keep us protected for just a tad bit of time because we're going to be tracking a low pressure system off to the northwest. Going to bring a little bit of a front off to northwestern Missouri. Going to see some chances of some scattered showers and storms Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours. But a lot of those going to stay off to the northwest, just going to be clipping central Missouri. Could see a couple stronger systems with that. Then we see another little bit of that low pressure system, the high pressure system trying to kick it back off to the north. But going to see chances for some showers and storms on Thursday late night into Friday morning. Then a lot of that starts to fizzle back out, and we are on that drier trend as we head off into the rest of the day, Friday afternoon. Temperatures, though, 6 to 10 day away, looking on the warmer than average side, so usually sitting around 84 degrees this time of June, but still going to be looking into the 90s as we head off into next week. So I don't want to stay hydrated because it looks like this heat's going to be staying for central Missouri, and those UV indexes going to be climbing just because we're seeing plenty of sunshine today, looking at a 10 out of 11, so burn time going to be 20 minutes or less.